Hey guys, and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the color isolation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a fantastic way to grab your audience's attention and make your videos stand out. We'll cover everything step by step, so let's get started. Step 1. Set up your sequence. First, create a new sequence by clicking New Item a Sequence. I'll choose 1080p at 23.976 fps and name it Color Isolation. Once the sequence is ready, import your image or video. Step 2. Isolate the subject. To achieve the isolation effect, apply the Lumetri color effect. Drag it onto your clip, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Now, we need to mask the subject. Select the pen tool, and trace around your subject. Don't worry about being perfect, a rough selection works fine. Once your mask is ready, go to the Creative section of Lumetri Color and reduce the saturation. This will desaturate your entire image. But we want the background desaturated, not the subject. To fix this, simply check the inverted mask option. Just like that, the background is desaturated, and your subject stands out. Step 3. Add motion. To make it more dynamic, we'll add some motion. Apply the transform effect to your clip. In the Effect Controls panel, disable Use Composition Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 180 degrees for natural motion. Now, keyframe the position, scale, and rotation at the start of your clip. Use the arrow keys to move forward 7 frames and adjust these values to create zoom and rotation effects. This will add a smooth motion to your subject. If it feels too fast, you can slow it down by adjusting the keyframe spacing. Select the keyframes, right-click, and choose Temporal Interpolation. Ease in for a smoother transition. Step 4. Add sound effects. Finally, let's enhance it with sound effects. I'm using Premiere Composer to find a stutter sound effect. Drag it to the timeline, adjust the timing to match the motion, and you're done. Final words. And that's it. You've created a professional-looking color isolation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy editing.